Hello scholars, today we are going to continue with our second chapter with a new topic, that is word problem on additions. Okay. Some of the key words that would help you to solve the addition word problems are total, increased by, add, combine, plus, sum, more than, and all together. If you find any of these words in your word problem, that means that sum is from addition. Okay. Moving on to the first example, which says that a candy shop has 6,459 candies with red wrapper and 4,256 candies with blue wrapper. More candies arrive at the shop, 2,055 candies with blue wrapper and 5,648 candies with red wrapper. So, students, first of all, you have to see what information you have, and then you have to see what information you have to find out. So, here I have information that there are two candies, red wrapper wala and blue wrapper wala. Okay. And some candies were already there and some candies are bought new. That is the information. And what I have to find out is what is the total. See, total is there. Total is the key word for addition. Number of candies with red wrapper in the shop now. Clear with it, student? Understood the question? Now starting with the solution. Solution, we have the first statement, number of red candies were 6,459. And then the shopkeeper bought new red candies as new red candies bought were 2,055. Okay. Now moving on to the blue candies. The candies which were already there, number of the blue candies were 4,256 and the new candies which the shopkeeper bought were 5,648. Okay. And now you have been asked what is the total number of candies with red wrapper. Okay. Only red wrapper wali candies ko dekhna hai. There is nothing to do with the blue candies. Okay. So this information you don't consider. Only keep an eye on red candy. This information is extra information, you can say, or you can say that this information is given to have confusion. Okay. So we have to find total. We will add it by having our place value chart. Starting with the ones, 9 plus 5 will give me 14. 1 plus 5 plus 5 will give me 11. 1 plus 4 will give me 5. And 6 plus 2 will give me 8. Okay. So the total number of the candies are 8,414. And having our conclusion statement, that is, there are 8,414 red candies available in the shop. Students, this conclusion statement is very much important. Okay, don't forget to write this. Now moving on to the second example, we have, there was a big gathering of students and adults in New Delhi on World Environment Day. The meet was attended by 37,489 men, 26,324 women, and 14,784 students. So, there was a meet and women, men, and students attended. This is the information you have. Now, what you have to find out is how many people attended in all. So, all is the key term wherein you will have कि ये सम एडिशन का है. Okay, starting with the solution, we will have number of men which are 37,489, number of women which are 26,324, number of students are 14,784. So in all you will have addition place value chart, and there are three numbers, so you will have likewise place it one below the other very carefully. Okay. Now starting the addition from the extreme right, 9 plus 4 plus 4 will give me 17. 1 plus 8 plus 2 plus 8 will give me 19. 1 plus 4 plus 3 plus 7 will give me 15. And 1 plus 7 plus 6 plus 4. See, what you will do 6 plus 4, first you find out 10 का sum. 6 plus 4, 10 देता है. I know that. So 10 plus 7, 17 plus 1, 18. It's not necessary you add it likewise only. See which is convenient for you. Okay. So this will have our answer as 18. Now what I'll do is 3 plus 3 is 6. I know 3 plus 3 is 6. So 6 gaya and 1 will give me 7. Clear? The total number of people were 78,597. And my conclusion statement will have what it is asked, how many people attended in all. So how many ki jagah pe you have to write the number. 7,859 people attended in all. That will not be a complete statement, no? So what you will do, attended, what they attended World Environment Day. Okay, so complete the statement as people attended World Environment Day in Delhi. Okay, moving on to the third example. I have taken it from the page number 49, textbook page number 49, and it's the sum number 7C. It says that a stadium was occupied by 3,252 children and 7,653 adults who had come to watch a cricket match. Wow, they have gone to a stadium. The stadium has 25,575 seats. So the information I have is this much children, this much adults, and this much seats. And what I have to find out is how many seats were empty. Now, I'm not getting the idea whether this word problem is from the addition or from the subtraction. There is no any key term here. Although I can guess it out because it's how many seats were empty. Let's see how it works out. Okay. So our first information is number of children is equal to 3,252. Then we have number of adults, which is 7,653. And when these two come, they'll obviously occupy the seats. So how much seats are occupied? Let's see. We will add and find it out. Now having our place value chart and starting from the extreme right, 2 plus 3 will give me 5. 5 plus 10, 5 will give me 10. Okay, 6. See, I'm not going to start from up to down. I know that 6 is the biggest number. I'll start with the biggest number. 6 plus 2 plus 1. That ways I'll do. It will give me, 9. And 7 plus 3 will give me 10. So the total number of the seats occupied are 10,905. Now, let's see what is asked. How many seats were empty? खाली seats ढूंढना है. Occupied seats नहीं ढूंढने हैं. So, how you will find that out? The total number of the seats is given to you and you have the information that how many seats are occupied. So, what you will do, total number of the seats minus the occupied will give you the empty seats. Clear? So, we'll do that ways. Number of the seats in stadium, 25,575. And the total number of the empty seats you will find out by subtracting 10,905 from 25,575. This is minuend, this is subtrahend, and the difference is known as the sum. And here in addition you have two addends. Yes? So coming to the subtraction part, in the place value chart, we will have 5 minus 5 will give me 0. 7 minus 0 will give me 7. 5 minus 9 is not possible, so borrow next door. 5 will change to 4 and this 5 in the hundreds place will change to 4. Will change to 14. 15. 15 minus 9 will give me 6. 4 minus 0 will give me 0 and 2 minus 1 will give me 1. So the total number of the empty seats are 14,670 seats. Okay. The other way to solve this problem is, I can say that this sum is totally from the subtraction. Okay. See, you have the total seats. So you will have 25,557 and then children will come and occupy some seats. So you will have the remaining seats. Then from the remaining seats, you will deduct the seats occupied by the adults. So you will have the empty seats. This is the other way around to solve the sum. I hope it's clear to you, students. Now it's your Tufani time, and Batuk is here again. But this time, Batuk has only brought homework for you. Okay, he has given you the homework exercise number 2.10, and only 3 sums you have to do. That is A, B and C. Okay, I hope you are completing your homework on time, students. Have a great day.